Guys, make sure to stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in repair diagnostics that you may actually not even need. So let's explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Super quick helpful video for any of you guys trying to find the O2 sensor, also known as oxygen sensor, fuses and relay on Jeep Cherokee. Guys, we're talking about that generation here from year 2014 to year 2023. Guys, if you have one of those, stay with us, we'll explain about that. By the way, if you need to buy any replacement parts, guys, tools, fuses, relays, oxygen sensors, we're going to share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out if you need anything, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. So let's start on it now. Before we start, guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos, guys. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork, engine codes, transmission codes, fuses, relays. Why we do that, guys? All that because our mission in the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these free videos, guys. Check out our YouTube channels. That's where, guys, you can find more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in free repair. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So guys, the O2 sensor, oxygen sensor, fuses and relays. Before we start, if you want to see how to test oxygen sensors, you have two different kinds. We're talking about upstream and downstream. Upstream is before the catalytic converter, downstream is after the catalytic converter. We'll have the videos on our YouTube channel that will teach you guys how to do that. Fuses, relays, quick advice, you have hidden fuse boxes in that Jeep Cherokee that most owners do not know where they're located. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called Jeep Cherokee Fuse Box Location and Diagram. What we need to do, open the hood and facing the engine, guys. Now, here on the right side, that's the driver's side, that's the main engine fuse box. Press the tabs together, lift the cover up, and you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always, guys, test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good. You end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist, guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find, guys, a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. Guys, here there will be very limited information now, but before we start, you see, guys, that engine, if you have that 2.4 multi-air engine, we'll have more than 200 free repair videos replacing almost anything you can think on it, guys, and we made those videos to save you a lot of money. Let's go back to the fuses now. We need to check all major engine management fuses. You may have some of them or all of them depending on which engine and year model you have, but you need to check fuse number 7, fuse number 8, fuse number 10, fuse number 16. Also consider checking fuse 21 here, guys. Here you see these two relays. Between them you have fuse number 13. You need to check that one. We didn't do a good job taking a picture of it, but it's between the two relays. Fuse number 30, that's double fuse, micro 3-blade fuse. You need to check that one. Next, you will need to consider checking, guys, fuse number 59 and fuse number 83 right here. Now this will need to be checked. Now relays, you don't have any relays, guys. Okay, the relay function is controlled by the engine computer for these oxygen sensors, so you may need to check the relays for the engine computer. We'll have the video on the channel if you need help with that on your Jeep Cherokee. Guys, quick advice, this Jeep Cherokee uses all kinds of fuses and relays. We want to show you the different fuses. Those are special fuses right here. You have mega fuses, you have micro 3-blade fuses, you have little mini cartridge fuses, maxi cartridge fuses. Guys, those are super hard to find. If you're in the middle of nowhere, you may have a hard time finding a replacement one, and you may end up being stuck in the middle of nowhere. So buy some, keep some spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind. We're going to share the information in the description of the video below where you can get fuses, relays at a really good price. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from, guys. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. If we have time and resources, we'll try to make video for your problem, guys. Thank you for watching. See you next time.